In this video, I'll be showing you how to make cooking thumbnail in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start by going to the Templates tab on the Canva homepage and typing thumbnail into the search bar. I'm going to scroll through the various designs until I find a layout that fits a professional food theme. This green minimalist healthy food template looks like a great starting point, so I'll click it and then select Customize this template to open the editor. Now, I want to replace the stock photos with something unique, so I'll navigate to the Magic Media tool in the sidebar. I'll enter a detailed prompt for a steaming salmon fillet on a bed of asparagus and hit generate to see what the AI creates. Once the images appear, I'll pick the one that looks most appetizing and add it to the canvas. I'll resize it and adjust the crop so it sits perfectly inside the large circular frame on the right. To fill the smaller frame, I'll generate another custom image by typing in a prompt for a fresh Mediterranean grain bowl. I'll select the best result, move it over to the small circle, and adjust the positioning to highlight the vibrant colors of the ingredients. Next, I'll customize the text to match the content of my video. I'm changing the top line to simple and the middle text to ingredients. I'll update the main bottom text to say bold stories and move the text box slightly to ensure everything is perfectly balanced. With those final adjustments, the thumbnail is complete and looks professional. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you create stunning thumbnails for your own cooking channel.